Welcome to my channel, Red Chakra. If you like this video, be sure to like, share, subscribe. Show support to the channel, grow spiritually. Connect with your higher self every single day. So, what I want to talk about in this video, bro, is about women, right? So I work at a gas station, of course, but for now, and this dude, it's a dude there, an old man. It's an old man. He like 78 years old. He's 78. He really active. Like, he can walk perfectly. Well, not perfectly, but like he can walk. He an active old man. Like, it's good that he healthy and stuff like that. But bro, he like 78, right? And he was talking to me about women. You know, you gotta listen to the old heads. You know what I'm saying? So he was saying stuff like whatever. But the main thing I want to talk about in this video is he was talking about a girl that was like, he said he knew a girl that was like 14 years old, I think, somewhere around there. The situation kind of happened a little fast, you know, so I'm gonna recall everything I remember. But he said he knew a girl, or one of his dudes, somebody he know, I think, be hanging around this girl that's 14 years old and saying that she be shooting porno and she like 14 years old. And he said something like she was trying to, you know, get on him. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to be too explicit. You know what I'm saying? But she wanted to get with him and perform sexual activity. You know what I'm saying? Bro, I'm gonna just say she wanted to suck on him, bro. And he like 78 and she like 14. He was saying, but he said he didn't take that. He was saying like he told her she got the wrong nigga type stuff. You know what I'm saying? He basically rejected it because he not that type of man. But with that being said, do you like? It's sad, bro. Because man, I don't know, bro. It's so sad that women just, or teenage women rules, like I ain't know it was like that out here. Girls be out here sucking old men. Like I don't know what's going on on this planet for sure. Cause whatever is going on, I don't want no part of it. Like this dude was saying this girl's like 14 years old doing porno and stuff. Like 14, bro. Like what is the world coming to? What planet am I on? Like, and he's 78 and he said she was trying to get with him or have a sexual interaction with him. Like, what the hell? Like, it just be like the energy on this planet is dark than I could realize. I know it's dark, but it's like, bro, what's going on? I be in a whole nother world. I be in a whole nother frequency. I vibe with the sun. You know what I'm saying? My nigga Otten. I vibe with the sun, bro. Like, I don't know, bro. It's sexual demons out here, bro. It's sexual demons out here, bro. You gotta watch yourself, man. That's why I'm kind of grateful that I learned so much stuff, bro. Some weird shit could have happened to me. You feel me? I'm just grateful. I'm just grateful that I got an open mind. I'm grateful that I got a clear mind. I know I used to masturbate and do all that weird stuff, but I'm glad I changed, because what would have happened if I continued to go down that dark road? You know what I'm saying? I know I was messed up spiritually when I used to do that weird stuff, but I went 200 days, you know, I worked on myself. And it's like, bro, it be getting real deep out here. I ain't know young girls was out here doing the nasty, bro. Like, damn. It's crazy to me, bro. Y'all motherfuckers gotta watch y'all kids, bro. Y'all motherfuckers gotta watch y'all kids, and y'all don't raise y'all kids right. Like, damn. There's so many cars out for no reason. But like, bro, like if I have a daughter, right? She not doing that shit. She gonna be way too smart and she just not gonna do that dumb shit, bro. And And I can't even really blame certain people that prostitute because they probably ain't got no money. They probably homeless and that's all they got to do to survive. So it's like, you can't really judge, but at the end of the day, it's like, you don't want to be like that, bro. I don't know. I be having mixed personalities and I don't know, man. But it's wrong, like, shooting porno at 14, bro. That shit kind of blew me, like, what planet am I on? What type of humans am I living with? What is this shit? I'm on a whole nother, I'm on a whole nother frequency. Like, I'm not down there with certain people. And not just saying with girls, dudes be doing the weird shit too. Cause if you a dude, I don't care if you like 60, right? Why would you have intercourse with a girl that's so young? Damn, bro. That's pedophilia type shit, bro. If I'm a 50-year-old man, I'm not having sex with a 14-year-old. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just don't understand where y'all come from. Like, I really don't. I really don't. I know damn well if I'm 50, I know damn well this girl is too young. I know she a fiend, but you got the wrong nigga. Like, you got the wrong God. You got the wrong king, bro. It's just sad out here, but what people be doing, like, the energy is so dark on the planet, bro. Like, I'm not saying this planet is naturally a dark planet, but like, people be doing a lot of weird shit, bro. And it's the type of shit that make me happy that I'm antisocial. Like, yes, I'm at a job, you know what I'm saying? A lot of customers love me because I'm naturally a good person, you know what I'm saying? Some people be there is people on the planet that don't like me or probably see me as a negative person. But, bro, you have your good moments and bad moments, but overall, I'm a good person. Anybody would tell you that, bro. Anybody. And like, I don't know, bro. I'm naturally a good person. I don't want to judge nobody. Any of that shit, bro. But everybody love me in my job, bro. As I was saying, of course everybody love me in my job, you know what I'm saying? People rock with me, you know. But the thing is, like, I'm still an antisocial type of dude. You don't see me hanging with these people. Not saying nothing's wrong with them, but I be to myself, bro, because you don't know what be going on. Like, I just didn't know girls be doing that. They be so young having sex with older men and all this weird shit. I did hear something like that a while ago with one of my coworkers. She be getting with old men. Like, bro, I don't know, bro. I just be to myself. This is why I be to myself. This is why I be to myself, because I don't know what the hell y'all people got going on, bruh. I don't know. I'm a whole god. I don't need to. I'm a king, bro. Like, what business do I got getting with or interacting with or getting in tune with a girl that's a slut? Like, I'm not even trying to be rude, but like, I've elevated from that level of existence, bro. Like really. I really elevated from that level of existence, man. I'm on a whole new plane. You feel me? I feel like Ichigo, my nigga, when he was going against Aizen, that nigga went to a whole new level of existence, my nigga. But I'm just playing. But for real though, bro, I'm not at that low frequency. That frequency of being like a slut type of person, actually doing that to your energy, man, you just all the way down. You vibing at a dangerously low level. It's just sad, bro. It's sad. It's how people getting raped and stuff. All that. It's sad. Pedophilia is going on. Both parties is welcoming it. Like, the man allows it, which you shouldn't be, and the girl allows it. And she young, so I mean, she should know better. But like, you know what I'm saying? It's more on the man because he's older. But both parties is equally wrong. You know what I mean? But it's just sad, bro. I don't know what be going on. I stay antisocial. Yes, I talk to people, you know what I'm saying, at work. But you're not going to see me actually hanging with them and really getting in tune. You know what I'm saying? That's no disrespect. I just be to myself. Because I don't know what the hell niggas got going on. Very sad, bro. Very sad. What we got to do is raise our kids better. Stop letting these kids be influenced by these stupid ass celebrities, because the celebrities is the main problem, bro. And these celebrities is the ones making people turn sexual, and you know all that shit, bro. It's very dark. This planet is very dark, bro. I'm trying to tell you, it's very dark. This is why I be antisocial. I be to myself. I vibe alone for real. Not really alone, but like bro, I be with myself, you know. And it's like I don't have no choice. People is weird, man. Weird, bruh. And weird, when I say weird, it's good to be weird. Like, you just different. Like, somebody called me weird because I'm different. I wear crystals, you know, stuff like that. But we know you know what weird I'm talking about. Niggas having sex with young girls when you like 50 years old. Like, that type of weird, bruh. Nature. We all know what weird I'm talking about. And it's beyond fucking weird. I don't know, bruh. That kind of made me feel a certain way because at the end of the day, we are all connected, you know? And it's just sad that people do a lot of weird shit. The government kidnapping kids, raping kids, snatching kids, and all that shit. I walk with weapons on me, you know what I'm saying? That and nobody ain't touching me. Trust me. Nigga, I was walking home yesterday. Nigga gonna eyeball me. Nigga just gonna, nigga, I had my shit ready, nigga. I will murk you. I promise. I'm not gonna come off like that type of person because I'm a good person. Genuinely a good person. But don't forget duality, nigga. I will let this demon unleash. Fuck you talking about. Niggas be eyeballing this shit, bro. I be ready. Always. But I'm not that type of person to be always angry, violent, you know what I'm saying? But you gotta know when to let certain energy off. It's all about balance and duality, bro. You gotta stay protected. People weird out here, man. The energy on this planet is really weird, man. Niggas will kill you for anything. Niggas will jump you for $10. Like, it's crazy. Girls will have sex with old men. Old men will have sex with young girls. That's pedophilia. Shit is weird, bro. Shit is so weird. So dark. It's like, why the hell am I on this planet? I'm on a whole different, like, I'm just on a different level. I'm not trying to brag or none of that. It's just my level of thought is so different. The way I carry myself is very different. Everything's just different. I'm on a whole different level of existence. A higher level of existence, if anything. And I don't know where y'all come from. Y'all be doing that weird shit. Y'all gotta take care of y'all kids better. Because if I have a kid and she's having sex with a 50-year-old man, I failed as a parent. That's on God. But well, not really failed, but like, everybody got free will, but I don't know. I'm not gonna say that. I don't know. I ain't gonna really say that. I'm not gonna say you really failed as a parent. I don't know. I don't think it would be like that because you probably could do everything for your daughter. She's still influenced by these bum ass celebrities and friends and still fuck up. So I mean, it just depends on the effort you putting in. You know, you could still put everything you got into somebody and they still fuck up. You could just say you tried. Y'all niggas just gotta try. No man in the household, so it's making it much worse. You don't have no masculine figure, so it's making it 10 times worse. It's just getting worse and worse. And it's very sad, bro. Everything getting worse. We need men back in the household and take control of what's going on. 'Cause you can't just have one parent. You need to be it needs to be balanced. You know what I'm saying? Not duality. Balance is everything. Without a man figure, might not win. But if you like this video, bro, like, share, subscribe, show support to the channel.